Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on ODATGH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
What did the Bible say? Mr. Adote.
Mommy is coming. I need to drink water.
Come here. Come here. I'm
Sometimes you do sound.
But I think it's very funny.
Look at your
Mr. Matthew. I don't know who that's called.
Mommy is just making it up.
But my name is Mr. Adote. I said, Mr. Adote, why we are British can come so? But that's not why you call. Oh my goodness. What's the Mr. Matthew? Oh,
Mommy's telling you this.
yeah, don't buy something. Wait, this is a radio.
Mommy.
What are you famous in my head? And some confirmed the idea. Show them today. Show them. Let me say, I saw what confirmed you and I confirmed you.
See?
Penna, come. Smile, come here. Smile. Show them your teeth. Answer Pastor Jones, confirmed your branch.
Mommy, it's your turn. It's your turn to do it.
I'm crying. Your teeth and your mustache. You are like Pastor Jones.
Hey, I've forgotten I'm finishing.
You are like Pastor Jones.
Mommy, let me go and bring out some of the water.
Well, remember,
Mommy, I finished all Mommy's water.
my goodness, I'm crying. What do you man say that? I hope people are saying the mustache the way I'm saying it. What do you man know? I said, I don't tell you how I will reappreciate Jay.
It's also like a policeman.
Hey, Banaka. I said, police no reappreciate. You come for you.
You clap for me.
No, come and let them show. Show them. See, Penna, show them your teeth. Oh, Penna, you say Eastern region. Oh no, your face looks like anything from Kufuor man face. I mean, I look like anything around. Teshi.
You are like a man who's wearing a wig.
I look like Teshi Tribro. Anything around there.
Mommy, that's why you called me.
This is only why I called you, so that
I'll laugh.
Penaba, you look so much like History Radiant. Come forward. Confirm your phone when you put the rubber down. Come forward. And give them the History Radiant smile. Abua. Who come say and go boy say you. Stop reading. Bring this down. I said, bookmaster. As a book master or was a book master, na do call fame. Oh, Buffet, Jobia, but as I touch my book. Mr. Mensa.
Hey.
Almost from. Well, fancy from.
Mommy, I'm using the filter. Mommy, are you using the filter? Not.
I can tell through you that you're telling lies.
No.
It's there. It's right there. Like,
Oh, yeah, almost from Mr. Mensa.
Mr.
No, I don't know.
I want to get you.
That was love.
I'm sitting down, but I want to get. What do you want me to do?
My man, something. Come and sit down. Sure. Now school treasure here.
Go ahead.
School treasure here.
What's that?
What's the dream of culture?
No, I'm not letting
No,
you.
it's not. It's not bad. It's okay.
Which one is not bad?
It's not bad.
My name. Wow. Oh, you see me.
Yeah, Paul. But I don't.
Of things, I want to see you.
Can I have this? You have to go and jog. Jimmy.
It's still. Hey, Mr. Ensa, sit down. Sit down. Your friends want you. By job.
Mr. Mensa.
I didn't have Mr. Hi, Mr. Mensa.
Mr. Mensa, hi, Shasu. Mr. Mensa.
And corporate. Mr. E. I can book myself. Hey, the material, the market, we don't. Ah, no. Oh. Maybe Mr. Dolina and Bruce said.
Can you buy me some of this Mickey Mouse slippers?
I said, I'm not sorry. Whereas we are British, I know what I'm talking. May I come and see? Can the two of you stop fighting? You know, basically, it's only two people living in this house and you stop fighting. Why? So that's why it wasn't James and John.
5 minutes.
Mummy and no pemun go here. Mummy and bed. Hey,
They're going to kick us out.
you go and live on compound house and measure the feeling. I mean, 5-bedroom house, the two of you can fit here. Fighting. If I jump, I say me born you and me are. Mary, you won't say that. And I've been a tea and I'm in tea, no my they say that would tea. And you know me born, more the voice in here, more forget voice in here. Lyrics in here.
5 minutes.
You want to know? Listen to the cloud. Go
I can help you, my brother. See, I wish I could do something, and I wish I could help you, my sister. But the way people let me down, me I know you will be. After everything they go put me down, and that is you, baby. Hey, buddy, I will never. See, I wanna be something, buddy, but I will never. Hey, buddy, I will never. See, I wanna do something, buddy, but I will never. Then I have to walk hard. Then I come so come about you. Then I come walk hard. Then I come so come about you.
Fake I am doing you. Nantisa abu be a punchy bit to some Isbel. Hey, Miss Bell, what did me boy, Miss Franco? What for soon? As a need to Mahama test message, a charm me home troll. O call now you with one kayon. One kaiser would test me home sem, many me mountain sem man I away. What call now you win no Emma to Mahama? O call now you with one kai, said John Bill. Now would deliver me fear, now would toss men of ice, mano. Emma, me man, catch us and Facolani, Mephiobium. Can't afford more quiet motor school goes as a John Bill or a wine. What for be bad said who play victim? Would you trace Boache Casawa or the outcome who play victim? Now, Miss Wakas will be come. Abua, me don't call TV Africa, could be boss. Quasia, who call you do 2 my young man, or dry baby, sir.